Today, I'm going to show you how to copy your YouTube channel link on your iPhone. Whether you want to share your favorite channel or your own, it's super easy. So let's get started. First, let's open the YouTube app on your iPhone. Now let's navigate to the channel you want to copy the link for. Now, once you found the channel, tap on it to open the channel page. Now let's copy the channel link. On the channel page, tap on the three dots in the top right corner. From the menu that appears, select Share. Now tap on Copy Link. You've successfully copied the channel link. Let's confirm it. Open the Notes app. Create a new note and paste the link by tapping and holding in the text area. Then selecting Paste. And that's it. You've now learned how to copy your YouTube channel link on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.